What's happening? Let me get my iPad on here. Just a second. All right. Just a second. So we did this colander the other night. Okay. We did this colander dye the other night. You guys remember? You remember doing it? We spun it up, put tape around it, put it on a rack, shoved it off our table onto a rack. Put it on a colander, let it drape over the colander, and then we added our dye to it. And we just did a small X. It wasn't anything major, just real thin lines, and we wanted to leave it black and white. And it looks like it did. It came out pretty good. I love the yellow, the golds, the bronze up here. I'll move it over a little bit. If you want to zoom in, you can. I really like it. It wasn't hard to do. They only take, 10 or 15 minutes to fold up and place over a colander. Add some dye, babysit it for a minute, and make sure you have good even saturation. And an easy black and white colander spiral has some gravity flow to it. Yeah, I don't really have a whole lot of complaints with it. You can see the little speckles. Up here in the sleeves and all that, but still overall, I don't mind it at all. Now see if you can zoom in on the tag and look at the tag, how off the tag is. That's why you don't really, when you go to center your shirt, you don't really want to go by your tag. Go by your seams at the top, line them up, line these up. Now we didn't have to center our shirt, but I'm just saying, if you go by your tag, there's going to be times that you're going to be off. I mean, it's at an angle like that. But overall, I really like it. What do you guys think? Doing good. Lynette, good to see you. Shannara, Robin, thank you. Lovely color split. What color did you use on the colander spiral? I used new black on this. I knew from using it, in the past that it would split these bronze and gold colors, and I really like that a lot. So that's why I wanted to use it. You know how some other ones will split blues and reds. New black will split these colors. It's kind of a smoky looking color in a way. let's see the back. The other night we were talking, I was showing you that if you put a bunch of soda ash on the back, or put a bunch of soda ash on top of the ice, the front and the back's not near as different from each other. Now you can see the differences. There is a slight difference because we're not adding very much dye, you know. We're just doing two thin strips, and still it looks cool. It has nice flow to it. But if I didn't add a bunch of soda ash on top of it, it would be really dull. But still, pretty cool. It was very easy, so you can always go back and watch the watch how I got the colander on it, and all that. It kind of made it easy. You have to use 2 racks, but you know, it made it easy. And that, thank you, Rosie. Hi, Scott Lover's Peace. Thank you, Barb. So I did also did a double fan fold after I did this, and I'll reveal it. It's in the washer right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to reveal it tonight, but I might. I mean, it's 9 o'clock now, so at least on the East Coast. Pretty rad. Thanks, Skater Tie-Dye. That's a great name. You know, I actually thought about it not too long ago, using skater dye. I grew up skateboarding. I skated until I was, I don't know, 45, something like that. I'm 52 now, so I thought about using that name at one time. But yeah, thank you very much. It wasn't hard. You can always go back and watch it, how I did it, and I will try to get. I'll try to get that double fan fold reveal. I used Mind Bender on it. I don't know. I might have to use it with some other colors. I don't know if I like it as well, like I thought I would by itself. But I don't know. We'll see. I mean, never cry till it's dry, you know. So yeah. Do some gravity, do some colander dyes. I like to see them because, you know, this was just black and white. I can always do one where we do multiple colors and try to get some nice flows on it, you know, because, you know, less is best, really, you know, and this was really, really easy. I was really easy on the dye with this, so. You can always go a little harder and only have a little bit of white, but I like the black and white look. I think it looks pretty cool. It's kind of black and white and gray and a little bit of bronze and gold thrown in it. I just turned 41, been skating 27 years, still street skate and film every weekend. Awesome. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, well, I've been having some, I don't know, throat problems or something, but thanks for tuning in, and we'll do some more videos. If you guys have any ideas, something you want to do, we can try it, maybe even do some experiments, like dry shirts, folding dry shirts, and not so much folding, but dyeing dry shirts compared to damp shirts, and see what kind of results we can get. We can start doing some experimenting and stuff. I wouldn't mind doing that. I do have a couple things in mind that I would like to do, so I'll definitely think about doing some other stuff and doing some experimenting, and so thanks for tuning in, and have a good night, and I'll see if I can't get the reveal on this this double fan fold here. I don't know if I can get it in the next half hour. I might go ahead and reveal it. So thanks for tuning in, and be on the lookout for more videos. All right. Thanks a lot. Have a great night. Peace.